Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, a daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Patsarthi, and the global bond crisis is gathering steam. And this time, the cause of the issue is Credit Suisse, where the global markets, including the credit derivative markets and also the bond markets, are factoring in a virtual fall in the value of the company. The default credit default swaps indicate that the fundamentals are weakening significantly. Bond yields of Credit Suisse are trading at closer to 16%, which is close like a junk bond yield. And so Credit Suisse is one of the largest bankers in the world, and and similar to in 2008 when there was a crisis that is coming where Lehman was allowed to default. Uh, this kind of eruptions are starting to happening more and more, and that's largely because of the fact that the sudden rise in government bond yields globally, which were kept down by central banks because of ultra loose monetary policy, have and the yields have gone so much that many of these firms that have contracted with clients for a lot of other products that are based on the government bond yield staying down are now completely coming off the hinge, and all the clients are facing huge losses. And many of these, the structurers of these products are also facing a huge amount of issues. And with this, there could be again problems of liquidity, the global bond markets. And unfortunately, the central banks again do not have any kind of tool to step into uh, more- to to calm the markets, largely because they themselves are fighting huge inflation and also years and years of ultra loose monetary policy, and they cannot. Um, the reversals are causing havoc in the system, and but the central banks have nothing, nowhere to reach out to, largely because of the fact that they have created the problem themselves. The spillovers can be really bad, and in the bond market highlights today, the markets reacted negatively in India too. The gsec yields were higher, closer to 7.5 for the 10-year. The Sensex and equity fell, the rupee fell, the auction cutoff on the state loans came in at 775. It was higher than what was last month, and US Treasury yields have fallen from 4% low as markets have started to see this. Maybe that this can lead to a recession going forward. These are market interpretations. Not very sure how it can pan out, but you have investors and the market participants have to keep a very close watch on the development of these global market crisis. And INR bonds, as usual, has been right on top of these developments. And the best place for financial advisors is obviously for for giving the best to their clients in terms of their portfolios is INR Bonds Partner Portal, where they get the most information, research, the knowledge, and also the all the bonds that are on offer for their clients, the most transparency in prices, and the most best of investments information available to them to take a sound investment decisions in a very volatile market. And our bonds is helping financial advisors uh, give the best to their clients in their fixed income portfolios. And this is helping financial advisors too in growing their asset base. Log into INR bonds and become our partner now.
As a financial advisor, my biggest responsibility is to help my clients make the right investment choices. Now, with INR bonds, buying and investing in bonds for my clients is quick and easy. With my guidance on bonds, my clients are happy and I'm getting new business every day. Register as a financial advisor on inrbonds.com to help your clients invest and save better through bonds.
And do not forget to download our app, Quick Invest by INR Bonds, for the best curated list of bonds in such a volatile market. their own proprietary risk rating score, which will help investors and financial advisors take the best decisions. Download the app now.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR bonds. Download the INR bonds app to save better.
And do not forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel if you've not done so already to receive more of these, to get more of these. On the YouTube on Bytes, we have the weekly search for yields and the weekly podcast as well. Let's talk bonds.